Hey everybody, welcome. Thanks for joining me and the sidekicks for another video. Today I have for you a Stitch Fix unboxing. Yay, so happy my Stitch Fix is here. Always a fun day. I got a new Stylist a few fixes ago. I think this might be the third one, Cassandra. So I think she's been starting to get to know me and I have high hopes for this box. So before I unbox it, check out the sidekicks who are here. Side by side. They're getting along pretty well today. We'll see how long that lasts, right? All right, let's get to this unboxing. Now I've messed up my camera. So, for anyone not familiar with Stitch Fix, which you probably are by this point, it is a subscription styling service. $20 styling fee comes off of anything that you keep. And if you keep all, you get a 25% discount right inside your box. When you open it, it tells you what to do, so you know right away. And here is the inside of my box. It's a tiny bundle. You can tell it's summertime. So you get an envelope to return anything you don't love and don't want to keep. It's free shipping both ways. You get another envelope that has your notes from your stylist and your pricing sheet and some ideas for how you can wear your outfits. And then you have your bundle. Look how cute and tiny my bundle is. I see pattern, lots of pattern in there. Can't wait to check this out. So let's dig right in. Ooh, this looks promising. Okay, first up, looks like a dress. I think it is a dress by Kaileigh. Made in the USA, it says. That's nice. Look at this cute dress. So it is a wrap dress, but it looks like it is sewn shut, so you don't have to worry about that. It's in navy blue. Yep, that's blue and green and white. It's got the little wrap at the top. It's sleeveless. I like this. This has promise. This is what I love in the summer. It's a little bit fuller at the bottom. I like it. Next, something else navy. Oh, this is very soft. And this is also by Kaileigh. It's Kaileigh. I don't know if I've ever gotten that brand from them before. So this is also navy. Has a white print on it. So it's mixed media, silky in the front and stretchy in the back. Not bad. Next is a top by Britton in black. Oh, this is nice. It's a very, very soft I want to say a jersey material. This also says it's made in the USA. What is it made from? Rayon and spandex, yeah. So here's the front. It has that little crossover at the bottom. It's so soft. It's a nice tank style, and then the back has this detail. That's nice. I hope it fits. It almost looks like it might be a little low, but that's cute. I like it. Next. Oh, I love this. It's a palm print. Looks like another dress by 41 Hawthorn. It is a dress. It's another crossover style. This one's belted. Gathers here at the side. Love this green and white print. That's nice. Oh, I like that one too. This one feels really nice. It also is, yeah, I would say it feels thick. It actually has a lining in it as well. So it feels heavier than the other dress. This is nice. All right, and my last item, check these out. We'll go with that nice black top. Shorts in this nice animal print. Love that. So these are by Market and Spruce. the Lorraine short. These are a size 4. I hope they fit. They're cute. They do have side pockets, and then the best in pockets in the back. Fun. All right, these are fun. Let's see what my stylist says. I think these were fun. Happy Fix Day, Laura. I'm glad you found a few pieces to love in your last fix, and I was happy to search for more summer gear to get you through the rest of the warmer season. I first found the edgy printed Lorraine short by Market and Spruce. Will be perfectly paired with a 9 Britton back bar tank for a casual look. The Kaileigh mixed material top will transition well into your work wardrobe with your blush jacket. So that's the one I kept from my last box. Excuse me. I also sent you a couple of knee-length bra-friendly dresses. I did ask for that. I asked for sleeveless bra-friendly dresses that I could pack, that would pack easily. The Tristana dress brings a colorful teal, while the Seanna faux wrap dress has a deeper color palette. I hope you enjoy the styles and fit today. I look forward to reading your feedback, and I'm excited to style you again in the future. I can keep my eye out for some of the lightweight jackets for cool air conditioning. That was another thing I asked, if I got jackets, you know, for air conditioning, because when in the office it's always cold, or you go in to eat somewhere in a restaurant, the warm weather comes, but inside it always seems to get super cold then. All right, I'm excited. Let's do this try on. I'll be right back. First up is the navy green and white dress with this wrap front that attaches over here on the side. And this is a fake wrap, so you don't have to worry about any possible wardrobe malfunctions, which is really nice. It's flowy without being too flowy. It has an awesome fit. It's bra friendly. It would be travel friendly. I think it's really nice. A great pick. I put on with just silver shoes right now for a more casual look, but this would easily go to the office. You could put tan shoes, navy shoes. I like this. So here it is one more time, close up. All right, let's do the next one. Okay, so next outfit is the tank and shorts. I love this tank. The little crossover is cute. I like that the stitching on the bottom that shows that. It shows the crossover effect. It's nice and flowy. It's a little bit longer in the back. It doesn't really stick out too much. Maybe it does a little bit. So here's what it looks like. I love the back. Yeah, I think it's a cute tank. It's very soft. I like the thicker straps as well. All right, the shorts, also very cute. Love the pattern. They have the side pockets. They are a little big for me, so I have some room. I would like to size down if I keep these, because I do like them. I think the print is nice. I like the gray on the black on gray, so that's a very nice. Yeah, it's a nice combination. I put on with silver flats for a casual look. Wyatt's chasing bugs behind me, I see. He does that a lot when he's outside. So I think they're a little big. They are sticking out a little bit here, but not too bad. But I would like to size down in these, I feel. I like that they have little notches right here on around the leg, and they're not tight at all. And they have a nice mid-rise to them. All right, let's do another outfit. Here is the second dress. How nice is this dress? It's so pretty. I love the palm print. I love this color. It has the tie here on the side. Otherwise, it is just a pull-on dress. It is the crossover and gathers here on the side. It is also a fake wrap, so you don't have to worry about that. It is lined, as I mentioned. I love it. It's a nice weight. I just put on with tan sandals. This would be great for work. It'd be great for casual. It'd be nice for an event. You could dress this up or keep it casual really easily. Yeah, I love this one. So pretty. It has a little bit of a flouncy bottom, but not too much. You know, there's not too much. It lays pretty nicely and creates a very nice silhouette. All right, I think all I have left now is one top. Last item is this top. So it's mixed media. It's silky here in the front and stretchy in the back. And it's also mixed print, so I've got the print in the front, solid in the back. It is longer in the back a little bit. It's a great casual, again, casual or dressy, which I like. So you could easily wear this underneath a jacket and tucked in, or wear it like I'm wearing it now with jean shorts. Here's the whole outfit. I like it. It's a little bit big under the arms for me, but not significant. That would be my only complaint if I had to come up with one. I could use it just be a smidge smaller under the arms. Aside from that, I like it. Yeah. Awesome. This was an awesome fix. All right, let's do a wrap up. So this was awesome fun. This was a great fix. Cassandra did an amazing job. I love everything. Now we just have to see how much it's going to cost, right? Okay, let's see here. So all 5 items were $252. The buy all discount would be $63, which would bring all 5 items down to $189. I don't do the styling fee anymore because I paid for the style pass, which was $49, and you pay that, and then it covers your styling fees for the rest of the year. All right, first up is the 9 Britton Corey back cutout knit top. I believe that is this one. Yep. So I liked this. Very soft, great tank. I like the back. I think my bra was showing a little bit here, but I think if I wore black underneath it, maybe that wouldn't be such a big deal. I think it's just maybe slightly too low. Aside from that, that was cute. I like it. So I'm thinking if I keep all, I would keep it. Most definitely. Next is the Tristana Essential Knit Faux Wrap by 41 Hawthorn. I believe, is that this one? Yes, that's this one, and I loved it. And did I tell you that tank top was $28? Okay. This one, the 41 Hawthorn dress, is $78. I love it. It is the most expensive thing in the box, but I just love it. I loved it on. I think it is perfect for many occasions, and I want to keep it. Next is the Market and Spruce Lorraine short in gray. These are $54. So I really liked these, but I need a smaller size. So it would come down to if I can get the smaller size, because I thought that was a fun outfit with the black top. Next is the Kaileigh Carah mixed material tank top in navy for $44. And I like this too. So it would come down to price for these, right? If I want to keep both dresses and the shorts, then the discounted amount would cover this top and the black tank top pretty much. So it'd be a no-brainer. But I thought this was a great basic. It was nice. You could wear it dressy or casual. There's really nothing wrong with it. And then this other dress, which is the Kaileigh Seanna Faux Wrap Knit dress, $48. Not a bad price point. And I thought this fit great as well. I liked it. So that's what I am leaning towards. I liked both dresses and the shorts. So I think it's going to come down to if I can get the shorts in a smaller size, and I might consider keeping everything. If I can't, then I might just keep the 2 dresses because the shorts won't fit me, right? That's my dilemma. but I loved it all. So it's a possible 5 for 5 for me, I think. Let me know what you think. Do you think it was a 5 for 5, or what were your favorite items? So please share with me down below. I will list all these items for you in case you want to request anything from your stylist. I'll also put my link to Stitch Fix down below. If you use my link, you'll get $25 off your first box, and I get 25 credit towards my next box. So it's a win-win. I appreciate you spending some time with me and the sidekicks. Seanna knows we're wrapping up, so she's ready for treats. Do you want to say bye? I would love it if you would hit that like button. I would also love it if you hang around for the long haul and hit that subscribe button. Till next time, everyone, have an awesome day. Bye.